Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is Fembam NY, Shelland here. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you another beautiful bouquet using our boo-boo balloon or transparent bubble balloon. We'll incorporate with a flower right here from one of our local store, Hobby Lobby, or any other store that you can find. We will also use the love. This is for Valentine's, another Valentine's decor. Or okay guys, so let's start off with our 9 inches hot pink. This would be on our base. So I will inflate it about this big. Okay, this is gonna be the base of our balloon. So you got 2 right there, so total of 4. I want to make sure that they're about the same size. There. So remember, we always need your water weight. So I will put the water weight now, the balloon weight I should say. I will now inflate your other hot pink balloon. This is 5 inches. This would be like this, okay? Alright, so we'll put this aside for now. So this time we need our bubble balloon or boo-boo balloon. You stretch this per instruction, because if you inflate this now, it will just pop. So stretch this per instruction. So now we're ready to inflate this one. So about that big. Okay. So I'll let it set in. It's gonna release the air. So now we'll put the air again. Right there. Good size. And some people, they tie a knot right here, but I'd like to use my 260Q scrap because I can recycle this if there's any other project. Okay. Now you need your base right here. As I said, the bottom one is your balloon weight. Put this on top right here. So I'd like to use my fish line right here to tie it with your balloon here. And that's it. It's in securely. So now we need your balloon to set on here. I can even use my 260Q balloon. And there's your balloon right there. Okay guys, I'm gonna use 260Q white. We're gonna put this on top. It's gonna be those bubbles. It's so easy, just pump 1, 2, 3, and always leave room here for your air. That have to turn. Okay guys, so now we're ready to attach our white balloon here. So what we're gonna do is gonna go across to the other side like that. To attach our bubbles here, the white balloon, I'm gonna use a balloon glue dots. We're ready to put this on, another decoration. I got this from a Dollar Tree. So this hole, I'm just gonna fold it in half, and we're gonna put this on here. Okay, all the way around. So just stick it in here. Get some feathers. Okay guys, so we decided to add this, like if you want to give a gift to your loved ones. I use balloon glue dots, or you can use two-sided tape. Okay, so I'll stick this on here, and it's securely on there, as you can see. And then I'll put this on flower. So again, I'm gonna use balloon glue dots, or if you have no balloon glue dots, you can use two-sided tape. Just like that. Okay, so now we're ready to add the sticker right here. Love, we'll stick it to our kind of gel. It's jelly looking. So guys, stickers are done. It's easy and it's removable, and if it's like crooked, you can just like stick it back and put it in the right place. Okay guys, so I decided to add gold, and we'll put it on top of here. So the gold will complement with our chocolate wrap right there. Okay, so now we will inflate our heart balloons. So by the way, this is the Colitex 6 inches heart. There's red, pink, and white. And we'll use this stick right here. You can buy this at any store. There it is, guys. You can stick this behind. So guys, I want to cover this little area right here with a bow. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a real quick way to make a bow. There's your bow. There it is. And we can hide those. Okay. So guys, now we added some of the bow right there. So I will attach this here using my tape, clear tape. So just attach it to your balloons, your bubble balloons. Guys, it looks so empty right here, so we decided to add this here. So it will complete the look, just like that. So I will use balloon. Actually, it's already a sticker, but I will add more support with the help of our balloon glue dots. So again, this is our final look of the project for Valentine's. I hope you guys like this, and if you do, please leave us some comment. Give us a thumbs up and share, please. Once again, this is Bam NY. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye!